Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Imi from iTradeAIMS.net, AIMS stress-free trading. This is a three-part video series in which I'm going to teach you how to count Elliott waves within 10 seconds. Meanwhile, download this book on how to count Elliott waves within 10 seconds. I get asked this question quite a lot, how to count Elliott waves quickly and how to count it within 10 seconds. Yesterday in our chat room, one of our friends who has been trading for quite a while asked a question that they can't really count Elliott wave within 10 seconds. So I went ahead and I made 3 videos. First one focuses on how to identify wave 3. So what you're going to get in this video is that I'm going to teach you how to count Elliott waves within 10 seconds in 3 parts. Part 1 will show you how to identify wave 3. Then building on that in part 2, you're going to learn how to identify wave 4. Once you have identified a wave 3 and a 4, you will be able to identify where is wave 5 and how to trade it. And in part 3, I will also share with you how I trade wave 5s, where I put my stop loss, where I put my entry, and how I can actually predict the market in advance, where I will exit the market with profit, which is normally a 2R. So if it's a 1% risk, you take 2% profit. So let's begin. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notification every time there's a new video. So the question is how to count Elliott waves within 10 seconds. That is the question. So what I'm using now, this is the USD CHF, the Swizzy chart, current one. It's the hourly time frame. Now, on any time frame using this method, what you need to look at is to determine what wave you're looking at. Like, what do you need to do? What wave are you looking at? So, for example, at this current point, you want to know what wave is this market in this current position. So from this point, you go to the left and count 100, maximum up to 140 candles, but I would say keep to 100 candles. So let's measure this. Actually, I'm not going to use that one. Let's use this. So let's go backward. That is 100 bars here, right? Yes, here. So I'm going to draw another one on the AO because we don't want to confuse it. You don't want to count the waves on price. That's the classic Elliott wave concept. What we need to do is to count the bars of AO. That's what we want to do. Where is it now? Now it doesn't show me. Anyway, we know it's 100 bars. Now check which peak is the highest peak within these 100 candles. To me, it's this. This is the highest peak. This is a bullish side. So if I look at the chart, in the last 100 candles, that's the highest peak on the green side, and that's the lowest peak or the highest peak, but you know, the bottom to the bear side. Now what I see clearly is price is going down, so I'm concerned with this wave. So from this point of view, from this analysis here, right now we are in wave 3, which is clearly shown to you without even doing the count, is that when the gator is open like so, and especially when the purple is correct like that, so you have the green below the red and the red below the blue and the blue below the purple, and they are going down like so with a peaking AO like this, you have wave 3. Next, we're going to discuss how to identify a wave 4. So this is the end of part 1, in which you learn how to identify a very quick and easy way to identify wave 3. In part 2, we are going to explore how to build on this and quickly spot wave 4. The next video is more important than this because it builds on this. Once you know where is 3, you will know how to identify where is wave 4. And that is a very important point because when you know wave 4, you'll be able to know how to trade the setup 1. So the next video is going to be released tomorrow, same time. See you there.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if yes, please hit the like button. Do you have any questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Then leave a comment. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos. See you next time.